Hey, what's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to set up commissions and how to start earning Robux. So a simple thing all you have to do is start off is by making a game pass or a shirt. I make game passes since they're so much easier. So you want to go to the Roblox developer hub or creator hub, and then you want to hit dashboard, and then if you just want to go into your default place, that's simply fine. All you have to do is go into it. Now let's go into mine. Now all you have to do is go into passes. Now this is where I make all my passes so customers can pay me. And then all you want to do is hit create a pass. You just want to name it. Let's name it just mine gfx. And if you want to add a description, go ahead. You really don't have to. If you want to add a picture, you don't have to, but it look very nice. And you just want to hit create pass. Now as you can see, the one we just made is off sale, and it's going to be off sale until we put a price on it. And to put a price on it, all we have to do is just click back into it, go down to sales, and let's put this one, put item for sale, and then let's put it for 400. Now as you can see, it does tell you what you will be making off of it if you do put it up for that price. It's totally up to you whether you want to charge your customer tax or client tax, whatever you want to call them. I typically don't like to charge tax for smaller projects, so if I'm doing like a small GFX for 400, I typically don't like to charge tax. But say if I have a 2K job, say if I'm doing one for 2K, as you see, I'm not making the 2K as I originally wanted, and that's to the point where I would charge tax. If they're not happy with that, feel free to negotiate with that. Get a link, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is just go into that and hit copy URL, and all you have to do is just paste it in. As you can see, you'll go right to your game pass. Now once you have all your game passes set up, I would recommend also setting up a PayPal so you can actually get real money when making GFXs. I'm not going to show you how to do that in that video. I think making a PayPal account is pretty simple, but the next thing to do is to make a website or make a Discord server. Now I'm gonna be showing you mine. Alright, here's my server. As you can see, it's not that big, only 60 members. But if you go to the shop, I have my commissions. I also have a little template so people can see what I want from them, just so the process goes a little bit easier. About me, it's just a little thing I put. You don't have to go extreme on that. Not a lot of people look at that, but I think portfolio is one thing you want to make. This is where all my past artworks are. As you can see, I put some of my speed GFX there, and here's also some of my starter work. And if you do post something from a past customer, make sure to put a watermark. As you see, these are some of my speed GFXs, so it doesn't really matter if I put a watermark since I own it. But if you don't want anyone to steal it, I would still put a watermark. And a little nice thing you can add is reviews, just so people can see your past work. This is so people can see that number one, you're reliable, you actually do deliver quality work. One thing I like to do to make sure I don't get spammed is I like to make a customer role and then just have it so they can put their own review there. So if you're a member, you can't just review bomb me if I make a bad GFX, and sometimes I do, and sometimes I have to remake some. Just an example, I got banned off of Discord 5 days ago, and I wasn't able to respond to this person in time. But as an example, what it would look like is, number one, he posted everything he wants in it, and normally I would be like, hey, I can start this whenever, or normally I like to give an actual date. And if there's something I don't understand that he's saying, or blah 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 blah, I like to just ask questions about what he actually wants. So like the troubles, he might not want it one for one, so I ask him what font he wants, or if he wants me to use the same armor, same gun, same all of that. But once, say we reach a price of 10k, I probably won't charge anyone 10k because that's a ridiculous amount for my work. And say we agree upon it, then I would literally just go to my game passes and go to copy URL, go back into it, and then blah blah blah, paste it. Once he buys it, normally I like to have customers send a screenshot. Sometimes they don't, and that's perfectly fine. All you have to do is go into your developer hub, go to home, and when you go to finances, transactions, then you want to go to others. This month has not been good for me, mainly because I spent all my Robux. on some advertising stuff. But then you want to go to sale of goods. Then all you see here is all your sale of goods, and you're gonna see that when a customer pays, this will pop up. I don't mind showing you guys this because I don't charge ridiculous amounts, and as you see, I've been doing pretty cheap jobs recently. But there you are. That is how you start taking in commissions. This video didn't really show you how to, start making GFXs, mainly just because I have GFX for Dummies and a couple of other tutorials there for you. But if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you want to see more, also like to subscribe. And I hope you have a good day.